Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Radio Silent Play Trading on this Tuesday, August 3rd, 2021. Let me start off by just giving you a brief disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I say or mention is for educational purposes only. I may or may not hold some of the stocks that I mentioned. Please remember to do your own research before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options inquire lots of risk. So, what is on the news this Tuesday, August 3rd? Let's get to it. The SEC needs more power from Congress to fully regulate crypto, Chair Gensler says. So, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler said Tuesday that Wall Street's top regulator needs Congress to grant it more power to oversee the crypto market. Speaking about crypto at the Aspen Security Forum, Gensler said that SEC has taken and will continue to take authorities as far as they go. We need additional congressional authorities to prevent transactions, products, and platforms from falling between regulatory cracks. Now, a lot of people are seeing this as a bad thing. I actually have been saying this for quite some time. You need regulation in order for massive adoption. And that's what we're getting now. They can easily ban crypto. They're not going to do that. Blockchain technology is too strong of a technology for it to be blocked. Hence, that's why I feel that this will be the pivotal moment in crypto to see higher moves. Because I'm seeing this is basically going to start the move back for a major reversal. Okay, so this is important. Now, Gensler did not offer a comment on the potential for approving a Bitcoin ETF. We know eventually a Bitcoin ETF is going to happen, a pending decision that many in crypto market are anxiously awaiting. I almost guarantee whether it doesn't happen now, it will happen eventually. If we go over to this article posted by Cointelegraph, SEC chair wants robust crypto regulatory regime for the U.S. America's securities chief has crypto regulatory ambitions beyond EFT and token offerings, which include markets like lending and DeFi. So decentralized finance is the major topic right now. With that said, we can expect for Bitcoin to get a lot of attention. Because it's getting a lot of attention, watch your altcoins. VeChain price forecast. VeChain postures for a 40% gain as energy builds. And why am I posting VeChain? I'm going to get to that. Because as we trade the markets, we look to anticipate the markets. VeChain releases a new milestone to approve or POA 2.0 successful VIP. So you're seeing VeChain, okay, you're seeing VeChain now massively bullish for VeChain. Analyst Justin Bennett outlines a massively bullish path for VeChain. So as I'm seeing this, I want to start looking in sympathy to VeChain. Altcoins, Terra, Luna, price rallies 162% while Bitcoin and altcoin prices drop. What is this telling me? That's telling me that altcoins are going to start running. So, because I start seeing altcoins start pushing forward, start showing 162% higher, I'm going to start looking at cryptocurrencies, stocks, or related stocks in the altcoin sector. Now take a look. If I look here, all right, I'm going to just show you something really quick. There is a stock that we have traded in the past, but has recently changed their direction of their company. This is ticker symbol NAFS. This is a ticker that used to trade as a medical stock, okay, or a telehealth stock. This company no longer does that. I'm going to read the description here. NAFS is a crypto faucet system that distributes small amounts of cryptocurrencies as a reward for completing tasks. It also has a various POS acronym for proof of stakes, staking pools. If you look here on June 28th, they actually uh, posted a press release that's pinned, and I'm just going to read to you the news. Board of Directors of NAVS approves an acquisition. So this was a recent acquisition, June 28th, 2021. And I'm just going to read it really quick. A California-based telemedicine, right, telehealth service provider and Chinese language digital health platform exclusively dedicated to women's health today announces that the board of directors unanimous discussion has approved the acquisition of a company's control block to Mr. Fran Jose Iglesias. Okay, this is the person that's going to run the company for now on. You actually have a contact number here, and this gentleman is transparent, so you can message him here. Under this acquisition agreement, Mr. Iglesias will own and control block of NAFS, ticker symbol NAFS, preferred shares, and will be appointed the new chairman of the board and acting CEO of NAFS. If math is God's universal language, which it is, blockchain is his commerce and Bitcoin is his currency. You've heard many people talk of this, like Michael Saylor, right? We've heard people say this, like CEOs of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. Mr. Iglesias, acting CEO, stated, I want to first thank Ms. Chen and Mrs. Lee for the help and support professionalism in this transitional period. NAFS will be known as Northern Altcoins Fund, keyword Altcoins Fund, and Staking Company. During the days and weeks to come, there will be much change in the direction of the company. I look forward for the new direction of NAFS and to bring shareholder value to all its stakeholders. Stakeholders. Why do I say stakeholders? Because this is actually going to be equivalent to investing or having exposure into altcoins proof of stake. About NAFS Northern Altcoins Fund is an exclusive proof of stake altcoin investment fund and staking pool operator for various proof of stake altcoins ecosystems and emerging blockchain technology. The company has an investment portfolio focused on the top 100 proof of the stake altcoin ecosystems. What's an ecosystem? You have ADA, which is very, very famous, DOT, D-O-T, Polkadot, and you have VeChain. It also owns and operates a series of proof of stake mining systems environments where it stakes its proof of stake altcoin portfolio for additional income. I give you these keywords just so you understand. Now take a look at this. This is key for you guys to understand why I like this. The VeChain ecosystem is growing. We are looking into adding VeChain TP, our NAVS 25 proof of stake index NAVS. And if you look here, it shows you what VeChain is connected to. And this is huge. Telecom, retail, carbon sustainability, third-party professionals, community builders, research partners, enterprises. And you got a bunch of companies, major companies. So now we're going to go here and we're going to look at the security details. We recently have filings. It just got upgraded to pink limited information. Authorized shares is 800 million. August 2nd, 2021 with the shield, which gets automatically updated. Market cap is 4.2 million. We got restricted shares of 206 million with outstanding shares of 495 million. That leaves you unrestricted about 289 million. Now, this is a stock that I sent you guys not too long ago, and we saw a massive move, 86%. Very similar. Also an NFT crypto play with 1 million shares trading at 2 cents. And today it hit a high and closed near the high of the day at 0.046. In comparison, outstanding shares 313, Authorized shares 1 billion, which is 200 million more than the NAVs, and the flow is 232. I still like the UAMM, but this is going to give us a great opportunity to start adding the NAVs. Okay, if you look here in the last year, you've been seeing several shares or several news being talked about, but the main one is this acquisition of the Northern Altcoin. So Northern Altcoin is the new company, Northern Altcoin Funds. And if you look here, if I click on their website, it's actually being worked on, and we just have a landing page. So be ready for a new website. We should be seeing a new website soon. Okay, now let's talk about Mr. Fran Jose Iglesias. I'm going to talk briefly about who this gentleman is. He is a blockchain cryptopreneur.comer with an obsession for extended reality. Extended reality. Remember, we talked about what Mr. Mark Zuckerberg is doing with the metaverse for Facebook. Reality, non-fungible tokens, XR, NFTs. So this gentleman is an expert in NFTs. Currently, he is the CEO of 2 microcaps, SAMP. Okay, so that's ticker symbol SANP. Let's go look at what SANP is doing. If you look here, SANP had a massive run to 3 cents. Okay, so what we've seen is he can get a stock to move. This is very, very important. So we're going to go back to what this gentleman does. Okay, so the company is vertically integrated blockchain and cryptocurrency company that manages, operates, and develops end-to-end BaaS blockchain as a service, similar to software as a service. This allows higher agility and quicker blockchain adoption. Okay, so this is very, very important. Additionally, the company develops solutions such as smart digital contracts, non-fungible tokens, digital to physical assets of tokenization, extended reality, and Internet of Things. Northern Altcoins Fund Staking. The company is an exclusive proof-of-stake altcoin investment fund and staking pool operator for various proof-of-stake altcoin ecosystems. It also owns, operates a series of proof-of-stake mining system environments where it stakes proof-of-stake altcoin portfolio for additional income. So you are seeing income. Okay, now let's take a look at where this gentleman resides. He resides in Miami, Florida, Saigon, Vietnam. Okay, lived in China over 10 years. He has played a major role in business consultations, services development for the Embassy of Costa Rica, Chile, Spain, Mexico, Grenada, Bahamas. He works closely with the United States Department of Agriculture in various Chinese projects. Okay, he's helped Chinese companies enter U.S. public offering arenas for bringing over more than $500 million to investments. So this gentleman has a background. Okay, he also is connected to telecommunications of Latin American for Eastman Kodak. Okay, so this is very important, and this is the gentleman here. Okay, so now, if I understand this, we have him with an experience. He's blockchain cryptopreneur.comer, full-time, chief executive officer of North American Frac Sands. Okay, and he's chief executive officer of Santo Blockchain Labs. He's also CEO Beijing Longfei International from 2005 to 2015. So this gentleman has a background. Now, what do I like about this chart? If you look, this stock is in a bull flag pattern. The stock actually closed above its 8-day moving average. Clear break. The last run this thing had was a high of 0.0238. So now, if I look at this stock as far as a high of 0.0238, I want to know what's the upside potential. I've told you guys in the past that I like to look at the 1.8% extension, because I know that the stock hit a high of 0.0301 in the past on the weekly chart, I'm looking at a 61.8% extension of 0.0486. You're talking about a move up to plus 0.05. That's a huge 400 to 500% move. Now I want to show you guys something. If I connect each pivot low, right, or each pivot high, I'm sorry, and I connect this, we actually broke a key level. We broke this downtrend. If I connect it a little lower, you have a master support here at that 0.007 level. A MACD from bullish to negative, right? Negative to bullish sentiment, negative to positive. That's called bullish divergence. You have a path to least resistance to this 0.023 level all the way up to that 0.031. So this is a buy the stock now based on what we're seeing in sympathy to the news of altcoins. Now, if you look at this stock is trading above its 8-day moving average and about to break this 200-day moving average here at that 0.01 level. If I look at the highs, you're looking at 0.034. So you have huge upside on the way up. Because I know that we have a MACD from negative to positive with bullish divergence with what you call higher lows, this thing is showing me that it's putting in a potential breakout. Why do I say this? Because if you see this, and if I connect each pivot high, a balance of probability leans to a test of this 0.03 level. If we break above this level here, you have a massive potential for a breakout. Now, ticker symbol NAFS. I'm going to put this video out. For you guys that are watching, make sure you like, subscribe, and take a look at the description box. There are a couple of tools for you guys there. Okay, I will be posting and going live with this video at a later time. So it gives you opportunities to make sure that you know this information before everyone else. So make sure you press on that notification bell so you get this information right away. That's all that I have for you. Look forward to seeing NAF's breakout. Have a great one, guys. Till next one. Take care.